Find a quiet space. Sit or lie down comfortably and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and exhale slowly. Let go of the tension in your shoulders, in your jaw, and your mind. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Breathe in deeply. Hold for just a moment. And when you're ready, exhale completely. With every breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, more at ease. Feel the weight of self-doubt leaving your body as you breathe in confidence and self-belief. Breathe in deeply. Hold for a moment and exhale. As you continue to breathe, visualize a warm, golden light surrounding you, filling you with strength and resilience. This light represents your inner power, the part of you that always knows you are capable, you are worthy, and you are enough. Repeat these affirmations, either silently or out loud, allowing them to sink deep into your subconsciousness. Repeat after me. I am worthy of success. I trust in my abilities and my knowledge. I release the fear of not being good enough. My voice, my ideas, and my contributions matter. I embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. I am confident, capable, and strong. I celebrate my progress and my accomplishments. I belong and I deserve to be here. Take another deep breath in and slowly exhale all the air out. Feel these words becoming your truth, transforming the way you see yourself. Now picture yourself standing tall in a situation where you once felt uncertain. See yourself speaking with confidence, moving with purpose, and exuding self-assurance. Notice how others respond positively to your energy and presence. You are not an imposter. You are a leader. You are a creator. You are a force to be reckoned with. Every experience, every lesson, every step has prepared you for this moment. Slowly bring your awareness now back to the present. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Draw sensation and awareness to your legs and arms, your hips and shoulders, your belly and chest. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this confidence with you throughout the day. Anytime doubt creeps in, return to your breath, your affirmations, and your vision of success. You are enough. You always have been.